Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Imagine a hummingbird hovering perfectly still in mid-air. Its wings are a blur, beating dozens of times per second. To stay aloft, it must master the complex physics of fluid dynamics and energy expenditure. Now shrink your vision down a billion times smaller to inside the bird's own muscle cells. There, a tiny molecular motor, a protein called myosin, walks along a track, converting chemical fuel into the mechanical force of a single wing beat. One beautiful phenomenon explained at two utterly different scales. This is the heart of biophysics. But it goes far beyond flight. Biophysics is the research for the secret rules of life, the physical principles that govern how living things work, from a single molecule to an entire ecosystem. It is the lens that lets us see how the DNA in your cell stores information like a twisted digital hard drive. It explains how the neurons in your brain create electrical signals, building a conscious mind with tiny pulses of voltage. It reveals how a plant's leaf is a solar panel optimized by evolution to catch the perfect amount of light. Biophysics is not just biology with maths or physics with cells. It is a unique conversation between the two, asking what are the universal laws that life cleverly bends to its will. Let's make this concrete. Think of protein folding, one of the biophysics' greatest puzzles. A protein starts as a string of molecules like a beaded necklace. In milliseconds, it must crumple into one perfect functional shape. Get that fold wrong, the disease can follow. Biophysicists work to understand the forces that guide this microscopic origami, which is like predicting how a 1,000-piece jigsaw will solve itself if you just shake the box. Or consider medical imaging. An MRI scan uses the physics of spin and magnetic fields to peer non-invasively into your body, a technology born from biophysical discovery. From designing new drugs that perfectly fits their targets to understanding how flocks of birds move as one without crashing. Biophysics is everywhere life exists. So, as we explore this field, here are three major ideas to hold on to. Number one, life is built with physics. The shapes, the movements, and signals of biology are all governed by forces, energies, and material properties. Number two, scale is everything. The rules that guide a molecule are different from those guiding a cell or an organism, but they are deeply connected. Understanding one level illuminates another. And finally, the third, biophysics is the toolbox for discovery. It gives us measurable, predictive power to solve real-world problems in medicine, technology, and our fundamental understanding of what it means to be alive. This series will unpack these ideas, showing you not just what life does, but how and why it works, according to the secret rules of the physical world.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.